Hi, my name is Jenny Umali, and here are 5 keys to manifest quick. Number 1, get clear on what you want. Manifestation needs clarity. Write it down. I desire, fill in the blanks, be specific but not obsessed with the how. Number 2, feel it as if it is done. Your feelings are your magnet. Close your eyes and imagine it's already yours. Smile, feel the excitement, gratitude, and peace. Say thank you, it is done. Number 3, let go of the outcome. This is the most overlooked setup. Trust it's coming. Avoid overthinking or obsessing about it. Do your part, then surrender. Number 4, align through actions. Take small inspired actions daily. Ask yourself, what would the version of me who has this do today? Act from that energy. Number 5, repeat daily, and this is very important. 5 minutes only. Visualize it, feel gratitude, affirm, I allow myself to receive with ease. I attract this or something better. So for a bonus quick manifestation mantra, I am magnetic to my desires. I now receive with ease and joy. So if you manifested, please come back and comment below. My name is Jenny Umali and I am sending you love, light, healing, and abundance.